Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. Got another freshwater engine here. This one was a trade-in. It is a 1990 50 horse Johnson long shaft remote. This one had 130 to 135 on all three cylinders. Lower unit pressure tested good. New spark plugs, new impeller. Cylinders were scoped. There is no scoring. New lower unit lube and fuel system is cleaned. We also run stable with our 91 fuel, just because we don't know how long they're going to be sitting on the shelf. We run them out of fuel, so they're all good to go when you guys get them. We'll go ahead and fire this one up here. I will be turning the fan on. It does smoke. It's two-stroke, dead air. There's no wind going through here. The doors are closed. So go ahead and fire it up here. Let you guys hear it here first before we turn the fan on. Pumping good water. This will come with a good use control box, most likely this one right here. Go ahead and put it forward. Dump a little water out. Back to neutral. Reverse. Back to neutral. Shut it off. Fire it back up. If you're interested in it, give us a call, 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.